All right, welcome to the Modeling the Moon Phases lab. We're going to be looking at the different phases of the moon. Imagine that. Didn't get that from the title. All right, so we're going to walk through the steps of how we do this activity. So on this video, if you happen to get confused, you can just watch this video all over again. All right, so we're looking at our book, pages 13 and 14. You can see the bottom of page 13 right behind me on the board here. We're going to use that as an example here in just a minute. So you're going to partner up with a person. One person is going to be the sun. They are going to hold the lamp that you see off to my left here. They're going to be holding that lamp, shining it towards you. The other person, your body, you're going to be considered the earth. You're going to be holding a little styrofoam ball and a stick. This is considered the moon. And that's all you need for this. You're also going to need your book. Now, you will also need your book, page 13, 14, and you're going to need a writing utensil. All right, so it's simple enough. So one person starts off as the sun over here. All right, so the person's holding the sun. They're holding the sunlight facing you. You're going to take your moon on the stick. You're going to face the sun and hold it out in front of you. So now the person that is the earth, you are observing what you see on the earth side of the moon here. What phase of the moon do I see right there? The person that is the sun, they're standing back here. They're going to pay attention to what phase of the moon they see right there from their perspective. So once you both realize what phase of the moon, the person that is the earth, they're going to write their perspective right here in the middle column. The person that's the sun will write it in the column on the right-hand side. So now you're going to repeat the process, but you're going to turn each time. So the first time you were facing the sun, now you're going to face away from the sun. So now facing over there, you're going to see which phase of the moon do you see when you're looking at the moon, and then the person that is the sun, they're going to comment what phase they see. Write those down on the bottom of page 13, the appropriate column. After you turn to the side, so where you're turning to your left, always turn to your left. Now you're going to face away from the sun. This is where you want to make sure the person's holding the sun, hold it over their head so you can see, or hold it off to the side of your head. But now I'm noticing what phase of the moon do I see here. The person with the sun, they write down what phase of the moon they see, write it down the bottom of page 13 in the columns. Then your last turn, you're going to do where the sun is on your left-hand side. You're going to notice what phase of the moon do I see right now. And then the person with the sun, they're going to comment what phase of the moon they see. And then so you've made one full orbit around the earth. You're good. So now you can switch places. The person was the sun is now going to be the earth and moon. Person was the earth and moon. You're now going to be holding the sunlights. And then you guys are going to write things down in your columns. You're going to answer on page 14. You will answer steps 5 and 6 in the textbook. Step 7, you will answer on Google Classroom. There is a question posted on there. You will answer that and submit it before we leave class. Step 7, I expect that is a very well thought out answer. That should not be a 1 or 2 sentence answer. It should be at least 3, 4, even more sentences. Think about your race type answers in ELA class. Answer, cite, explain. Give your answer, give some evidence to back up your answer, and then explain how that evidence is relevant to your answer. So I expect full sentences, capitalization, punctuation, and everything that's involved with that. Other than that, if you have any questions while you're doing it, feel free to rewatch this video or ask me about it. All right, well, have fun. Make sure you hit that smash that subscribe button down below. Pay attention for quality science content. All right, let's go forth and do some science.